Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna do an unboxing video for a watch that I was pretty excited about. So let's go in and try to unbox the box. Well, of course, it has been opened by our Royal Malaysian Customs and it has been resealed back. So yeah, they wanted to tax me and yeah, I have to pay tax for this, unfortunately. So, well, that's life. Okay, so let me see. Well, I expected to have a little bit more paperwork here, but I don't know what they do with the paperwork. Usually I get like declaration forms and receipts and all that from the customs, but apparently they didn't give that to me. And ta-da! This is the watch that I'm pretty excited about. I guess if you've seen several unboxing or several videos of this Casio vintage, you will know what I'm getting. So I'm gonna move the camera closer and then we're gonna open up the box. So are you guys ready? Let's pull out the box and see what is inside. Oh, nice. Well, the box, it's quite nice in a way because it's not something that you would expect from a regular Casio. This is not a G-Shock, it's just a regular Casio. And what do we have here? Okay, there's a receipt. I'm not gonna bother open up the receipt. And this is the what do you call, the user manual. And there's some warranty, register online and win, blah blah blah. Right, so I'm not sure if this applies to my region here because this watch model is not available in this region, so I have to buy it from another place, and there was a whole process of going through import declaration and customs tax. Yep, this model is A1000D-7EF. So, ooh, the bracelet is, well, maybe I'm not a fan of the bracelet, but let's see. Ooh la la. Well, I was a little excited to unbox this because I wasn't sure if I'm gonna like the watch. I think in Casio's website is meant to be a lady's watch, so there's this mother of pearl effect on the dial, which you know, a lot of YouTubers reviewed it and they said it's not that bad in person, but I'm a little bit skeptical, so I was a little uncertain. That is why the excitement on unboxing. Well, there is obviously a black version, but I've seen a lot of reviews. They say that the negative display is a big no-no because it's very hard to read the time. So I went for this white version with the mother of pearl effect. Well, what I'm getting here, there is some pinkish hue to it, which maybe I'm now a little on the fence on that mother of pearl design. So let's see what we have after that. Well, the bracelet, as expected, it's folded link, so nothing to shout about, but it does come with push button deploy and clasp. There's no micro adjustment, which might be a problem because the link, each individual link is quite long, so I'm not sure how well this would fit on my wrist. And yeah, the bracelet has a high polish mid link and a brush sides. So what got me so excited and why I had to pay tax to get this piece, because this one, it comes with a stainless steel case. Yes, a lot of all these affordable Casio, not G-Shock, they come with acrylic or resin case that is chrome plated to look like metal. And this one itself is made out of stainless steel. So the whole watch case is made out of stainless steel. This might not be a big deal if you're comparing to other watches, say like Seiko and all that. They have been making like watches with a stainless steel case. But, you know, for Casio, they have been producing watches with resin case and chrome plated for a while now. And sometimes many people are put off by that lightweightedness, and a lot of people are afraid that, you know, the chrome plating might not stand the wear of time. But here it's a stainless steel case, and yeah, that's the main reason for me getting the watch, apart from it being a Casio, right? But now I'm not too sure, because I've seen a lot of reviews. They don't have that much of pinkish hue to the mother of pearl on the dial or the watch face, but I see on mine there is a lot of pinkish hue. So I'm not too sure how this will look on my small wrist. It will be as though that I'm just wearing a women's watch. But no fear, I can pass this to my wife, right? So yeah, I will be doing a more detailed review after spending some time with the watch. And if you're interested to know more about the watch, and if you're interested to know what or how I feel about the mother of pearl dial, well, do stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on that video when it's out. Alright, till then, I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.